everyone, so today we are going to create this old t-shirt into a kids wear to a child's short, perfect for summer. So here I have my daughter's shorts, which will be our reference to creating a new short. So I wanted to create a longer short, something that has more allowance since kids grows up so fast today. So I'm just gonna put the right leg to the left leg, and it's gonna look like this. So the one at the front is the front side and the one at the back is the back side. So first I'm gonna go ahead with the back pattern, tracing as is, and I'm just gonna put, so we'll make sure that the t-shirt is smooth and it lays flat, and then we're gonna put on the shorts. So for this one, we're not gonna make any patterns. We're just gonna mock up. We're just gonna do a mock up pattern in which we will trace the shorts, and I will add 1/2 inch allowance. And 2 inches for the waistline. So this is very easy, this is very fast and convenient. We don't do any pattern, any paper pattern. We're just gonna trace directly right on our reference short. And so here I cut the 2 inches waistline. So the center back is going to be a little bit higher since it's the back side, and when we cut the front, it's going to be the opposite. There's a little bit slope. So now we're done with the back pattern. So we'll proceed with the front, and this is how it looks like. Now we're gonna do the front. So we're just gonna fold the back, and we're just gonna follow the front side. Same thing, we're also gonna put 2 inches allowance, and we'll make sure that the crotches have the same height. And the same thing, 2 inches for the waistline, seam allowance. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. If you have extra clothes, extra t-shirts, especially for summer, you can just get your child's old shirt and then trace it and just add your revisions. For example, if you want it to be higher or longer, if you want it to be longer or bigger, then you can just adjust the seam allowances. So now we're finished with the front pattern. And so I'll cut the crotch corner. And this is the back pattern, and this is how the front pattern looks like. So we're gonna make some corrections. So I'm going to trim the center of the front pattern, make it, I took like half, I took like 1 inch, so it's lower than the back. And now we're gonna stitch them together. You can also attach it with a serger. So just stitch all around with a back stitch at the end. And when we do the crotch corner, it's better to double stitch, so we make sure that it's strong and it doesn't get torn easily. Especially the kids, they move a lot, so we need to reinforce it. And I'm just gonna use an elastic band for the waistline. Before that, and I forgot to put the detail on the side seam. So preferably details like this should be done before we attach them all together. It's so much easier. And I'm just gonna make some folds for the waistline and just stitch all over. And if you have a serger, you can do too with the serger. And now we're gonna put on our elastic band. So I use 1/2 inch, or you can go even like 3/4. It depends on what's your preference. So I just stretch that and stitch. And voila, it's so fast and easy. And just make sure that you already have the exact measurements for the waistline, so you get the perfect fit. So now that it's finished, I'm gonna fold it and do some top stitch. And just go all over. So I put at least 2 rows of top stitching. So you can go from 2 to 3, it depends on what's your preference. So it's very easy, it's very fast. So you know, this is very easy, very fast. It's mostly just straight stitch. So it's really easy. And because our fabric is cotton, it's so lovely to work with cotton fabric. Alright guys, so there's our short. Thank you so much for watching our kids wear tutorial. So this is our reference pant that we copy, and this is the new one. So I made it a bit longer, and also it comes with a side trim. I hope that you enjoyed it, and for more updates and more videos about tutorials, about kids wear, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.